All right, so we have been wanting to try these for a while now. I have heard from several different people that these are supposed to be amazing. Never tried them before, so we're gonna go ahead and make a batch and see how they turn out. So I'm thinking that my butter is not room temperature enough. So I'm actually gonna let it just sit here for probably about 30 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and we will remix. Just kidding, I am totally putting it in the microwave because ain't nobody got time to just sit and wait. It looks absolutely amazing and it smells really, really good too. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Okay, it says 14 minutes or until golden brown. Hey Siri. Set alarm for 9 minutes. But I'm also gonna set an alarm in my phone for 5 minutes less, just in case. All right, my phone alarm just went off. It calls for 5 more minutes and they're not quite done. So we'll give them a couple more minutes. So the packaging was actually exactly right. These were in for 14 minutes and they came out perfect. So if I'm to be completely honest, I'm not sure that the Williams Sonoma chocolate chip cookies were worth the price tag. I think I would rather make my own just fresh chocolate chip cookies from scratch. But these were definitely really yummy and convenient because all you had to do was add an egg and butter. Everything else was already pre-packaged for you. So if you have ever tried these before, I would love to know what your thoughts are as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. All right, bye guys.